This is the 5th episode of Thomas and Friends. Thomas and Toy Friends. The Night Train. Well, it looks like the Superstation is now having a light show for us. Yep, pretty much. Oh, looks like we arrived. All the other trains are sleeping at the moment. Okay, well, I guess it's time to go. Many minutes later. Well, I'm ready to go now. Thomas is gonna take the midnight train with me tonight, so we might as well prepare for that. We just got left behind. Yeah, we did. I just noticed. Time to go. At last, Hero arrived at the station. Well, I arrived, and I made it just on time. What are you doing to me? I don't know, mate. Oh, whatever. Oh well, it's time to uncouple, and we have to prepare. And me and Thomas have to prepare for the midnight train. Hang on, Hero. Let me go rebuild myself. Where is he? I'm gonna go find him. Shoot, we don't have any more flashlight. Never mind, I just found him. Let me go rebuild myself. Whoa, Thomas, don't go too fast. On the stage of my heels,